Did you win anything, do you think? You don't know?
All right, Bears, get ready, line up. Line up by Mr. Blodge over here.
Go around so I can video here. Sorry.
So we have top five prizes for the Bears. At number 5, 7.3 seconds, Joseph Darmanin.
Joseph! Put it on him.
All right, we're ready for number 4? Okay, number 4, 6.8 seconds, Brandon Turgeon. All right. Now this is where it gets close. Number 3, 6.6 seconds, Mitch Blah. Number 2, just a second less, 6.5, Griffin Bruns. And the number 1 Bear at 6.4 seconds, Carter Renault. All right, Bears, come and get your patches from Mr. Blodge.
Here, let me see.
I got my third.
You got your...
I always get a trophy or something.
Look at you.
Next, would like the Weeblos to come line up.